Most people never get good at spoken English because they never practice this way. Only vocabulary will never make you fluent in English. Practicing the accent and pronunciation is the most important. Let's start our practice of the day. I will speak, you will copy. James stopped at a fast food restaurant during his lunch break. Repeat after me. He ordered a cheeseburger and fries and carried his bag to a table. When he opened it, he saw a salad instead. That's not mine, he said, frowning. He walked back to the counter and explained the mistake politely. The cashier apologized with a smile and quickly gave him the correct meal. Thanks for fixing it, James said. He finally sat down, unwrapped his burger, and enjoyed his lunch. Amazing, you did it. This scenario will scroll up the screen now. Your goal is to speak clear and confident. Amazing. This daily practice will make you so confident that no one will believe your transformation. You will get the next challenge if you have clicked the bell icon, or you will miss it.